guys, welcome back. So let's get started with this look. I am using this hot pink eyeshadow called Alien Girl from the Annette 69 palette by Beauty Creations. I'm going to be blending the color Crease and Fire, so it's like that purple and blue, and I'm just going to be patting that in. I'm reapplying Alien Girl, which is that hot pink. Grabbing this light pink called 9, and I'm just going to be blending that light pink and that hot pink together. Using the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, so I'm just going to be adding this to the crease. So now I'm going over with this white shadow. Also adding it to my brow bone, and I'm blending that really good. Going in with that fire color, so it's like that bluish purplish color, and I'm just gonna be reapplying it on the crease line. Using this glitter liner from Italia, and it's such a pretty glitter liner. I usually grab these from the fashion Q stores. Sometimes I find them, sometimes I don't, but they're very pretty and very inexpensive. Going in with some moisturizer and then this foundation F6 from Makeup Revolution. So I like to do this and mix it together just because the foundation on its own, it's too dry for my skin, and this mixture makes it perfect. I do like to set it, so I'm using Fit Me by Maybelline. So for highlight, I'm using Blossom Glow from Wet n Wild. So I'm using this liquid lipstick from AOA in Bougie. Hope you guys like this look. I'll see you guys on the next one.